早起看世界来关心南极嘅海冰扬起嘅速度真紧，为着要互民众来关心这个议题，国家地理频道即摆有推出一出骑鹅之谜嘅纪录片，内底会当看到荒地骑鹅嘅生态秘密。
布袋鹅是伫空中向前倾，因那骑鹅是伫海面咧沉。布袋鹅看到目标冲倒来，骑鹅也赶紧赶到现场。
No way. Stealing fish right out the beak of the pelican.
这是国家地理频道伫世界地球日推出的骑鹅之谜的一段，真侪届得到奖的摄影师兼主持人格瑞格里开2年的时间，伫南极翕到真侪料想未到的画面。
I thought I knew penguins. I was so wrong. And every time we went out to film, we discovered literally new penguin secrets.
格瑞格里讲，伊翕过真侪骑鹅，即届头一届规划讲要翕骑鹅的囡仔，第一届落水的仪式，想袂到竟然看到一阵勇敢的骑鹅对16、17公尺悬的冰坎跳落来。
But normally they do that jumping off of the sea ice, which is 1 or 2 foot high. But we followed a group of chicks that took a wrong turn on their way to the sea, and they found themselves at the top of a 50-foot ice cliff. And this has never been filmed before, so we didn't know if they could survive a fall from such a height.
这阵骑鹅的囡仔拢无咧惊，一个一个跳落去，互摄影的团队开眼界。因为伫翕的期间，南极是发生真严重的大风势，摄影师美入去报病时，游玩真烦恼，骑鹅的囡仔敢有安全？南极原底是荒地骑鹅的天堂，伊也真够伫恶劣的条件之下生存。不过专家警告讲，若做南极海的冰快速减少的情形继续恶化，荒地骑鹅到2100年会进入断种的命运。这次纪录片也提醒人类，就是爱护地球，唔通互荒地骑鹅伫地球消失。公司新闻张慧敏编译。